In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create comics with consistent characters using ChatGPT. This is a fantastic method that helps you build the same character across different comic panels and even in various art styles. Whether you're interested in creating comic strips, engaging story posts, or exploring the world of visual storytelling, this approach will provide you with consistent results from AI image generation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, open ChatGPT. Once you're in, locate the plus button. That's the option you'll want to select to create your image. This is the starting point for generating your comic artwork. Now, when you reach the prompt box, it's crucial to describe your main character in clear and vivid terms. For example, you might type something along the lines of, "Create a comic character, an 18-year-old boy with black hair, wearing a hoodie, who has a confident personality." This step is essential, because the more specific you are, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to maintain the character's visual consistency. Details like age, hair color, clothing style, and personality traits all contribute to a stronger visual identity for the character. Once you've crafted a solid character description, you'll want to instruct ChatGPT to maintain that appearance throughout the comic. After that, add a further instruction like, "Create a 4-panel comic story with this character and dialogue." This tells the AI that you're looking for more than just a single image. You want a complete comic layout that involves multiple panels and spoken lines. This emphasis on dialogue and structure is what will give your comic a story-driven feel rather than just a random assortment of illustrations. Now at this point, you can let ChatGPT generate the comic based on that prompt. However, if you're interested in exploring different visual interpretations while keeping the same character intact, you can add another instruction, like use the same character in anime style. This is where the concept of multi-style storytelling comes into play. By asking ChatGPT to maintain the same character design while presenting it in a different artistic style, you can create a cohesive character universe that resonates across various formats. Once you've entered your instructions, press enter and wait for the result. If the first version doesn't quite hit the mark, don't be disheartened. You can refine your output by adding more depth to the character, the setting, or even the emotions displayed in each panel. Consider specifying expressions, background scenes, action poses, or the mood of the comic. The clearer your prompt, the better the output is likely to become. Here's a pro tip for you. Keep a master character description saved somewhere easy to access. You'll be able to reuse it every time you create new comics, ensuring that your character maintains consistency across pages, scenes, and even different art styles. This practice can work wonders, especially if you're building a series of comics where continuity in character design is key. So to summarize, the process is quite straightforward. Open ChatGPT, create an image, define your character with a detailed description, request consistency, ask for a 4-panel comic with some dialogue, and then, for added versatility, use the same character in various styles like anime. This structured approach makes creating comics with AI not just easier, but also more repeatable and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, AI image prompts, and creative workflow guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one, where we'll explore more exciting techniques in the world of visual storytelling.